Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holder? In this time, my friend, the Shiba Inu condition is very critical because after a very long time, my friend, Shiba Inu is go in the moon now. So let's see, my friends, our target is completely in the moon now because this is our research, my friends. I hope we will complete one day and we will go in the moon now. Let's see, my friend, in this time the Shiba Inu coin price. So the Shiba Inu coin price is hour by hour, minute by minute increasing. But don't worry, my friends, just and only you will need, my friends, to hold and wait for a good time. But this is possible if you want to get a profit, my friend, in very short time. You will need, my friends, to invest the last 10 days of every month. So I hope you will be get a very good profit. My brother, Shiba Inu is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. If you want to, my friends, run now, so I think you will be going very bad now. Please, my friend, in those days, if everybody know this, my friends, to in those days a lot of coins were fails down. So this is not does not matter to just only Shiba Inu were fails down, because absolutely, my friends, this is just only water now. This time absolutely they were fails down like water, because my prediction is totally going to be negative now in this time. But absolutely after this fails, I understand too in upcoming time there is a very huge jump coming now. So therefore I am just waiting for this huge jump now. What you doing, my friends? Please share it in a comment box. But I am just waiting for this huge jump now, my friend. So my prediction is going to be positive. Please, what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time, but my opinion is please hold it now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.